Program number 9, it is very simple program. So that is the class book fare is there, and here the variables are described, that the string you see B capital, B name for the name of the book, and the double price for the price of the book. So these two variable we have to use it. And here two method is there: input method where we can input the name and the price of the book, and the calculate method where we will calculate the discount, and the calculate on the based of this on this we will calculate the discount and the final money. So like less than or equal to 1000, if less than or equal to 1000, then 2% of the price, and if more than 1000 and less than equal to 3000, then 10% of the price, and more than 3000 it is 15% of the price. It very simple one, already have done in the decision making chapter of, while we are learning in the class 9 in the void play display. There we are going to display all the things, the name, price, discount and the final price, and we have to make the main method. So the class is the book price as a book fare, as it is written you see B and F capital. So same way you have to write, since scanner is used, so util package is declared. So string B name double price, so you can see as it is mentioned, the same to same it is mentioned here. So discount, for the discount no variables are mentioned for the discount, so we can take according to the our wish discount and the amount. So discount equal to 0.0, actually you have to put here D also, otherwise it is not going to accept 0.0 D. So it is the scanner, then input so here the name of the book is entered and the price is also entered. So here we are calculating, if the price is less than equal to 100, then we are calculating on the price 2% of price, so the price into 2 by 100. And if the price is so you can use here if else also, if else, and here lastly else, like that also you can use, or otherwise each and every although we will get one part, till then we will go on executing to the other part also. So this can be also written as else if, this is also correct, but this you can, if you wish you can use if else, and here only else, and if you are taking else, so this part will be cancelled. Otherwise if you are writing in this way, so in each and every part you have to give the formula. So discount is equal to 10 into 10 by 100, and the price if it is more than 3000, so it is price into, so these are the discount calculators. Discount, so again and again we are not displaying and giving the value. So first we have found out the discount. After finding out the discount, we are finding out the amount. So amount is price minus discount. Then here we are displaying the name, price, discount and the amount is displayed. And here in the main method we have made the class object, and with the class object we have called the input, calculate and the display. And